Today on Hidden Secrets Revealed Live. Multifamily market report for multifamily real estate investors. Is this the bottom of the market? 7 reasons now is time to buy. HSRL is a production of Safe New Media. Before you keep watching, it's important that you know who this show is for so that we don't waste our time talking to the wrong kind of person. Self-actualizers are characterized by efficient perceptions of reality, the ability to judge situations correctly and honestly. Alerted by the superficial and dishonest, you strive for self-fulfillment and possess unique characteristics that enable you to perceive reality accurately and engage in meaningful pursuits outside of yourself. That's who this show is for. Self-actualizers, agents of progress. We are making the most of our lives. This micro podcast live stream, the only one of its kind right now on this subject, going live on X. Therefore, the most popular live stream podcast live right now on this subject, going live on X, is not for you, sweetheart. If you take yourself too seriously, if you are a seeker, let me be your guide to discover accurate truth for yourself. Let me help you increase the quality and effectiveness of your life by revealing to you the hidden secrets of the universe. This show is specifically for those who are seeking new perspectives, fresh ideas, and a willingness to explore new possibilities. My intention is to help investors like you stay ahead of the curve and make the most out of emerging opportunities. Today on HSRL, do you think we can time the market? If you're in multifamily real estate, you will give it a shot. Here's why we are at the bottom of the market. Recently, Fed Chair Jerome Powell mentioned something. Based upon the current data, the Fed can begin to lower the federal funds rate. Ladies and gentlemen, there are several indicators besides that one. No one can be 100% certain, but these indicators suggest we are at the bottom of the market cycle. This is for U.S. multifamily real estate only. Be aware. Listen, be aware. You must always do your own research. This is for entertainment purposes only. Take it with a grain of salt. There's a severe shortage of single-family homes. Today, first-time buyers must earn, on average, do you know how much? $115,000 a year. That's on average for someone buying a home for the first time. That's how much that they have to be making per year, 115,000. Most homeowners are not selling. They're locked in at a low rate. That means there are more renters. In other words, demand for rentals will not decrease in the next 3 to 5 years. Here are 7 reasons why we are at the bottom of the market. Number 1, price declines. Multifamily property values have dropped. For 7 consecutive quarters, apartment sales have fallen. In Q1 of 2024, sales were down 25% year over year. Number 2, increased supply. This year, the number of new units built are between 440,000 to 736,000 new units. Pardon me. My camera has failed. Oh, we're back. What was I saying? Over 900,000 are currently under construction. Now, it depends on the source. This is an estimate. One source comes from Fast Company on the US housing market. That source claims 6,071,953 units are on the market. The point is, there is a lot of supply this year. Look at Austin, Texas. Austin's apartment vacancy rate is currently high, the highest among major US cities. Estimates suggest it's around 14.1%. This means there are more apartments available than renters looking. Which brings us to number 3, rising vacancy rates. You'd expect vacancy to increase due to the influx of new supply, and you'd be right. But supply will be shrinking next year. By 2026, what do you think will happen? Anyone? Number 4, slowing rent growth. Average rent growth year over year in April was 0.1%. This is from CRE Daily. In the Midwest, rent growth was up 2.7%. In the Northwest, it's up 2.4%. In the South of the United States, rent growth is down 1.4%. And in the West, it's 0.2%. Number 5, reduced construction starts. Compared to their pre-pandemic average, multifamily construction starts fell by 45% in 2024. Okay, if the cost of construction has anything to do with it, a lot of construction was delayed. Are you seeing a lot of cranes up right now in your market? Where I live, I'm not telling you where, but I know the population growth isn't that strong and there's a lot of cranes up. So with that information, what do you need to? Number 6, distress. Multifamily distress is low. By that, I mean banks, not GPs with bridge loans. Okay. According to BAM Capital, multifamily residential bank delinquency rate is under 0.5%. That means banks are taking back 0% of multifamily. Compare that to individual credit card delinquency rate. That's over 3% of individuals who failed to pay their credit card bills. Number 7, investment opportunities. Are you looking for positive leverage? Look at the Midwest region. Cap rates are 25 to 50 basis points higher than elsewhere. Do you expect stronger rent growth next year? Where are you looking to buy investment property? Let us know. Share this. Retweet on X. You're allowed to make fun of me only if you are funny. You are allowed to make fun of me. Get my name right. That's my time. I got to get back to work. Visit my X profile to learn more. You don't have to follow me on X. You don't have to, but I do follow others who are adding value. They're funnier than me. They're smarter than me. And there's a lot of people who are funnier and smarter than me. So it's not necessary to follow me on X, but I do follow others who are adding value. It's your choice. Team up with me to bring about serious advancement for each other. The plan is for our community to share with each other the systems, processes, and workflows we are successfully using in order to help each other grow. Our inner circle is on Telegram. Not everyone likes Telegram, and that's okay. It's fine, but I like it. So if you want to get in the inner circle via the Telegram, knock yourself out. My assistant Igor has put the location of where you can get in there. It's not token gated anymore. It's free. It's free. All right, so a couple more things. But before we continue, we have to run this disclaimer.
This is not an offer, solicitation of an offer to buy or sell securities. Past performance is not an indication of future results. Investing involves risk and may result in partial or total loss. Prospective investors should carefully consider investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses, and should consult with a tax or legal advisor before making any investment decision.
My team and I are looking for capital partners, brokers, motivated sellers. Receive details about our investment strategy. We're accepting accredited and non-accredited investors to, if you are, especially if you're an accredited investor, you can secure your place on our wait list at Inveresta.com. Go to Inveresta.com or hit me up on our X profile at Inveresta on X. Retail investors can send me a DM there to let me know what kind of investment opportunities you are looking for. A couple more things. I send out a newsletter. It's called Methods of Prosperity. I sent it out this morning. I usually send it out on Thursday mornings, but this week I sent it out today. Send it out every week. This is for anyone who agrees that success leaves clues and it's possible to learn from history. I don't have it all figured out. Do you? I'm working with a hypothesis that we don't have to make all the mistake ourselves. There's plenty of us to make, for us to make on our own, but we can pay attention to what has proven to consistently be a factor for a person who accumulates wealth. We can pay attention to what they do and what they don't do. We can avoid the pitfalls, and we can do the consistent things that people do to accumulate wealth throughout history. Now, there's a million ways to make money, and that's the problem. So, that's also the beauty of it. But I can't tell you what to do, but that's why we're studying what other people do. We can apply that to our own lives, to our own businesses. So sign up at prosperity.beehive.com. There's also a Web3 version of the newsletter. Thanks for making this the most popular live stream at this hour, broadcasting on X, formerly known as Twitter. Hidden Secrets Revealed Live is a production of Safe New Media. Unconventional, diversified, global digital media company devoted to the practice, the administration, and dissemination of the ideologies of its founder, yours truly, moi, Sean Allen Fenn. I do invite you to belong, hire, join our community, ask me about our exclusive mastermind. Now, I will leave you with something that is not for money, but for pure enjoyment. Now I will leave you with the alternate mix of my song, Anything You Desire, Prosperity Mix, available on streaming everywhere. If you are so inclined, you can collect the limited edition version on Sound XYZ. I like you, but don't take my word for it. Decide for yourself.